Hello students, welcome again to my channel DNA.12 Education. Students, today we are going to discuss a new topic in mathematics. The topic is factor. This video is presented by DNA.12 Education. Mathematics series Factor Part 2 by DNA.12 Education. Okay students, today our topic is how to determine factors. Okay, I want to give you any tricks how to determine factors based on the diagram shown. There are 3 tips or tricks to determine factors based on the diagram. The first is copy the shape. The second, construct the diagram based on the shape. And number 3 is follow the direction of the question. Okay, students, this is the easy way how to determine factors based on a diagram. Okay, how to determine factors? There are 3 steps or 3 tricks. 1. Copy the shape. 2. Construct the diagram based on the shape. And 3. Follow the direction of the question. Once again, the easy way to determine factors. Copy the shape, construct the diagram based on the shape, and follow the direction of the questions. Very easy, right? Okay, students, directly we go to the questions and please do any practices. Okay, how to determine factors? Question 1. Yeah. Look at the diagram on the screen. Okay, this is the question. KLM is scalene triangle, not drawn accurately. Point P is halfway along ML. Once again, point P is halfway along ML. A factor MK is 2A and factor KL is B. Write the factor ML in terms of A and B. Write the factors ML in terms of A and B. And the next question is write the factor MP in terms of A and B. Okay, students, we're going to answer the question. As I mentioned before, you have to follow 3 steps or 3 tricks how to solve or to determine the factor based on the diagram. Okay. Once again, this is a trick, right? Okay. There are 3 tricks how to determine factors based on the diagram. Number 1, copy the shape. Construct the diagram based on the shape and follow the direction of the question. Yeah, right? Number 1, copy the shape. Number 2, construct the diagram based on the shape. And number 3, follow the direction of the question. Is it clear to you? Okay, now we go to question 1. We're going to answer this question. Okay, the shape is a scalene triangle. So I mean you have to construct the scalene triangle based on the shape. Right? Okay, students. The shape is scalene triangle means you have to construct the scalene triangle to around the scalene triangle. Please construct a new triangle, a new scalene triangle around the shape. Here we are. right? You just copy the shape and then construct a new scaled triangle around the shape. And number three is to follow the direction of the question. Student, the question is factor ML. The question is factor ML. Is it? This is the question. The question is factor ML. What is the meaning of factor ML? Factor ML means direction from M to L, right? Once again, factor ML means from M to L. Means from M to L, right? This is the direction. So you have to follow the direction based on the constructing shape that you already drawn on the scalene triangle. So the direction of your construction is from M to L. From M to L, is it? From M to L. Here we are. That's correct. From M to L, right? From M to L, here. Okay, is it clear to you? Why you're going to construct or to follow the direction M to L? Because the question is ML. So you have to follow the direction of factor ML, not LM, but ML. Is it clear to you? Okay, so ML, ML will be parallel to the new construction, the purple one, right? So look at the direction. The direction is M to L. So our new shape that surround the original triangle will be parallel, right? So you can check this on your screen that the purple triangle and the black triangle, the direction ML will be equal to the direction of the new construction. Is it clear to you? Once again, copy the shape to construct the diagram. Our diagram is the purple color, right? And follow the direction. Follow the direction means from M to L because the question is ML. Is it clear to you? So means our construction is anti-clockwise. Is it clear to you? Okay, good. Now you're going to answer this question. Okay. Now you're going to check the direction first. ML, factor ML, right? Plus factor LK, here, LK, plus factor LK plus factor Km, right? Equal 0. Factor ML plus factor LK plus factor Kn equals 0. Next, factor ML plus LK. LK means negative b, right? Why negative b? Because opposite, right? Opposite. So we have to write here factor minus b, and then km. Km here opposite again, right? Minus 2a equals 0. Is it clear to you? So when you found the opposite factors each other, you have to write negative. Once again, LK and factor B are opposite. Km and factor 2a are opposite too. So you have to write negative because different direction. Okay, next. ML equal 2a plus b. Okay, done, right? So factor ML equal 2 times factor a plus factor b. Is it clear to you, everyone? Okay, this is the answer, factor ML. Is it clear to you? Right? Okay, now we go to the next question. The next question. The next question is write the factor MP. Okay, write the factor MP. MP, factor MP. Is it? Factor MP. Now please take a look to the diagram on your screen. MP, right? MP, point P here, this one, point P is halfway along ML. So I think that's very clear. MP, factor MP is a half ML. Right? So MP equal a half times factor ML. Here you are, right? 2a plus b. So the final answer is a plus a half b. Okay, is it clear? This is factor MP. Is it clear to you, everyone? Very good. Okay, there are 3 steps. There are three how to determine factor based on the diagram. Number 1, copy the shape. 2, construct the diagram based on the shape. And number 3, follow the direction of the questions. Is it clear to you, everyone? Very good. Next. Now we go to question 2. Okay, this is the question 2. Okay, look at the diagram. EFG is a scalene triangle. Not drawn accurately. Factor EG is a minus 5b. Factor EF equals 3a plus 4b. The factor GH not shown is 3 times the length of and parallel to GF. Write the factor GF in terms of A and B. Okay, this question is very easy. Everyone, our tricks very clear. Copy the shape. Construct the diagram based on the shape and follow the direction of the question. Our shape is a scalene triangle. We have to copy a scalene triangle around the triangle. Here. Okay, just copy the shape and construct the diagram based on the shape. Number 3, follow the direction of the question. Okay, the question is GH, right? The question is GF. Okay, GF means from G to F. GF means from G to F. Is it clear to you? So direction from G to F, right? G to F. Is it clear to you? GF. So GF is parallel to our construction. Okay? So GF is parallel to our construction here. Right? Is it? Parallel, right? So based on step 2, construct the diagram based on the shape. And number 3, follow direction. So the direction must be equal. Okay? Just follow the direction of the question. Okay? So our diagram is anti-clockwise. Is it clear to everyone? Good. Now we're going to answer the question. Based on the diagram, GF, factor GF, right? GF plus factor FE, right? FE plus factor EG equals 0, right? So GF, factor GF plus FE. FE is opposite to EF. So we have to write negative 3A plus 4B. Right? Is it good to you, this one? Opposite, right? So we have to put negative here. Is it good to you? Next. And how about factor EG? EG. EG. Oh, good. EG is parallel, yeah? Parallel to A minus 5B. So we have to write positive here. Positive factor EG is A minus 5B equal 0. Is it clear to you? Now we want to simply apply these factors. Factor GF minus 3A minus 4B plus A minus 5B equal 0. Okay, factor GF and then this one, right? Minus 3A plus A minus 2A, and then here minus 4B minus 5B is minus 9B equal 0, right? So factor GF equal 2A plus 9B. Done, right? Is it good to you, everyone? Okay, very good. The next is write the factor GF in terms of A and B. Okay, information is GA. The factor GF not shown is 3 times the length of and parallel to GF. Okay, the next question is not GF but GH. Sorry. Here. Okay. Again, GH, factor GH is 3 times factor GF. Okay, very clear. So you just follow the algebra. 3 times 2a plus 9b, right? So equal 3 times 2, 6a, and then 3 times 9 is 27 factor b. So gh factor gh equal 6a plus 27b. Is it clear? Very easy, right? Very good. Okay, we go to the next question. Question 3. ABCD is a rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. BE, factor BE, is an extension of AB such that factor AB to factor BE equal 4 to 3. The ratio, right? The point F is halfway along CD. Write the factor FE in terms of A and B. Okay, students, these questions are very easy. Okay, there is information that AB to BE equal 4 to 3. Okay, now we're going to simplify, okay, this one first. Okay, factor AB to factor BE equal 4 to 3, right? Is it clear? By using the cross multiply or using the algebra, right? So it will be like this, right? 4BE equal 3 factor AB. So BE, factor BE equal 3 over 4 times factor AB, right? So factor BE equal 3/4 times factor AB. AB is A, right? Is equal to you. So BE is 3 over 4 factor A. So this is the direction, right? Equal to you, right? Now we're going to write here. BE is 3 over 4 factor A. Is it clear to everyone? I got the direction. BE is B to E, right? And then the point F is halfway along CD. Okay? So it means DC factor DC here, factor DC is parallel to factor AB. DC, factor DC parallel to factor AB, right? So means equal factor A. Is it? Factor A. So means DF is a half A. FC is a half A. Right? Because there is information a half A. So means if is midpoint of BC. Right? Is it clear to you? Okay, good. Now we're going to continue. How to answer this question? Students, there are three steps, right? Copy the shape, construct a diagram based on the shape, and follow the direction of the question. The question is FE, right? The question is FE. FE, right? So means from F to E. From F to E. Okay, here are our construction. Right? Look at the direction. FE means from F to E. You are right? From F to E. Is it? From F to E. This one, right? From F to E. The direction is one. From F to E. Is it? Okay, good. Okay, students, we are going to write the factor based on the purple color, our construction. Okay. So means FE, factor FE, right? Plus, oh, I think we have to write here G. Okay. Okay, a new point. Okay, we name this one G. So FE plus factor EG. Is it? E to G, right? And then plus factor GF equal 0. Is it clear to you? Next, factor FE plus factor EG. How about EG? Factor EG, right? This one, factor EG, right? Factor EG. Is it? Factor EG. So factor EG is opposite to 3 over 4a and factor BG, right? So here we are, okay? Factor FC is parallel to factor GB, right? Once again, factor FC, this one, parallel to factor GB, right? Equal a half A. Is it clear to you? So factor EG means negative in the brackets. Here is a half A, right? This half A plus this one, right? 3 over 4 factor A, right? And the direction is opposite, right? Okay, opposite. GB is a half A. BE is 3 over 4 factor A. But our factor is E to G. So that's why the direction is negative, opposite. So we have to write negative here, right? Here, negative. Is it clear to you? Next, factor GF. Factor GF is parallel to BC. Factor GF is parallel to BC. Equal factor B, right? And what about the direction? The direction is same. So because of the direction same, we have to write positive B. Okay, is it clear? Equal 0. So factor FE, okay? So we have to move 3 items to the right side. It will be factor FE equal a half A plus 3 over 4 factor A minus factor B. So equal 5 over 4 factor A minus factor B. Done, right? Good. Okay. The point F is halfway along CD. Write the factor FE in terms of A and B is done. So factor FE equal 5 over 4 factor A minus factor B. Right? Is it clear to you, everyone? The question is very easy. How to determine factors based on diagram? Just follow 3 tricks. Copy the shape, construct the diagram based on the shape, and follow the direction of the question. See you at the next topic.